fuck is this shit?
Bandit. Oh, just buy your tootsies, okay? What's that you making?
Jesus Christ, man.
Uh-uh. Los días, semanas, no sé. Ya tenía tiempo que no lo ya pensé. Yo pensé que I was going to learn. That's what I think. No, I did hear some noise. I'm gonna go get the toilet paper.
Protect your PC all in one step.
I'm gonna go get my toilet paper para que le esté ahí en la sala. Sin papel.
All these things. When you're really
Sí, soy miedosa.
scanner might not save you because you're still gonna need to rebuild Windows. There could be system corruption, and who knows if that scanner's gonna catch it all. So right off the bat, I'm gonna direct you to Tron's script. Take a Google search or you'll see it right here on Reddit. Tron fights for the user, and this is a very powerful script. You'll remove telemetry, which is Microsoft SpyNet. It's great for privacy. It's going to debug Windows, like the debugger will. You go down to this website here, and you scroll down, and you'll see links right here. And use the official one right there. You can use the torrent or the exe. There's the latest version right there. So go ahead and download that. I already have it downloaded, so what we're going to do is we're just going to copy this over to the desktop. Alright, and on an infected machine, or even on regular machines, where did it go? Not on the desktop. Okay, well, there it is. Got lucky this time, we'll see what happens. You'll right click on the Tron, on whatever version it is, and you'll run it as administrator. You're going to get this warning to say don't run. With more info, then run anyway. Windows.
Oh, it's right there.
You'll remove telemetry, which is Microsoft SpyNet. It's great for privacy. It's going to debloat Windows a lot like the debloater will. And you just go down to this website here, and you scroll down, and you'll see the links right here. I'm going to use the official one right there. You can use the torrent or the exe, but just there's the latest version right there. So go ahead and download that. I already have it downloaded, so what we're gonna do is we're just gonna copy this over to the desktop. All right, and on an infected machine, or even on regular machines, where did it go? It's not on the desktop. Okay, well, there it is. Got lucky this time. We'll see what happens. You'll right-click on the Tron, on whatever version it is, and you'll run it as administrator. You're going to get this warning. It's going to say don't run. With more info, then run anyway. Windows Defender, if you're infected, your antivirus is lying to you anyway, Windows is lying to you anyway. What this is doing is extracting the files, the script that it needs in order to
4 hours to download.
And now on your desktop,
500 megabytes.
There should have been 2 folders that popped up, but they didn't. They're there. You could look around. Don't panic. Don't panic. This is very common in Windows, especially on an infected machine. So, look, it's not there. You could look in program files, trying to find it, but really, it's on the desktop. And all you can see, look, something downloads, not there. You're like, where did it go? And so just right-click on the desktop background and hit refresh, and poof, there it is. Now in the Tron folder, you'll open that, and the 2 files, tron.bat and resources folder, those have to be on the desktop. So you can just click and drag both of those over the desktop, and then you're going to run
megabytes should download like that
as administrator. And then you'll see this window coming up. It's going to be detecting that you have SSDs. This does not defrag SSDs, which is not good. Here, it's going to ask you, it's going to tell you if you accept the license. You have to type in all caps, I agree, I space agree, and then hit enter. And then you have to hit enter again, press any key to continue. It's showing that it's going to skip defrag, see, because it's detected I have an SSD and defragging